Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable cookies on your iPhone on the Chrome browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser window and go down and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down again underneath Advanced and select the Site Settings tile. And then go down again underneath Content and select Third-Party Cookies. Either allow third-party cookies by selecting that top option up there, or if you wanted to keep it blocked across most of your websites, you can add site exceptions by selecting the little plus icon at the bottom to add certain exclusions. But again, if you just want to enable third-party cookies, select the Allow Third-Party Cookie option up at the top, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.